Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another full face of nothing new. So I really have enjoyed the last one that I filmed, and I really like watching these, seeing people rediscover old products. Alright, so we're just going to start first with primer. So I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. This is the one that's kind of supposed to be like the Smashbox one. Yeah, I don't like this spray very much, like the nozzle on the spray. It's kind of weird, but for what, like $4? It's fine. Okay, next I have the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer. I bought this a long time ago, and honestly, I haven't used it as much as I probably should. Okay, next we're going to be using the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. If you guys are like OG subscribers from like 2 years ago, I think, when I did like a first impressions on this, I was in love with it and I wore this all the time, and I stopped using it because I just got like new foundations and stuff like that. I have high hopes because I remember I really did like this foundation. I just also remember that I was way more tan back in 2016, and this color looks already like it's not, yeah, that's not gonna match me. But it's okay. We'll just bronze. To blend this all out, I am going to be using just the Beauty Blender, like the Beauty Blender Pro. I haven't used this in forever, and honestly, because I just really love my Real Techniques one. Alright, for concealer, we're going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I have mine in the lightest shade, which is Light Ivory. I really did like this concealer back in the day. The only problem for me is that they need lighter shades. I think it comes in like 4 shades. I can already tell, like, I like my concealer a little lighter than my foundation, and even for this foundation, which is too dark for me, it is not that much lighter. It's like maybe a hair lighter. Okay, and to set all this into place, because I definitely have to set my face, I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm pretty sure I used this in the last video I did that was like this. But I don't really have a lot of powders. Okay, and I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera really quick, and then we will be right back. Okay, so eyebrows are on, and we are going to move on here. So for eyeshadow, I am going to be using the, this is so old, and I can't believe I brought it back out. This is the Morphe x Kathleen Lights eyeshadow palette. This was forever ago, and I'm sorry that you can't get your hands on it anymore. I just wanted to play with it because it's been so long since I've used this. I am just going to be using this. Again, I'm sorry that you can't get this anymore, but we're going to go right in. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's just like a matte white shade because I always set my lid. So again, just taking that white shade and setting my entire lid with this. Okay, so next I am going to be going into this shade right here. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's a really pretty like brown color with little bitty sparkles in it. Yeah, this is like the prettiest crease shade ever. Next I'm going into this shade right here. It's like this pukey baby food colored yellow. And then I'm going to be putting this in my crease as well, but I'm going to be keeping it just a smidgen lower. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm just going to be using my finger because that's how I like to put on shimmers these days. And I'm just going to be packing this on my lid. I just think you get way more color payoff when you use your finger. Now, if I'm ever wetting a shadow, then I use a brush, obviously, but I don't know. If you just want the straight eyeshadow, I think you get way more pigmentation while using your finger and just like packing it on. I think I could totally leave it just like this. I think it looks really pretty, but I think I want to add like just a little tiny pop of color. So I'm going to go into this like really pretty burgundy-ish type shade, like pinky, purple, burgundy. I don't know the correct terms here. And I'm just going to add a smidgen, just a smidgen of this on my outer corners. Like, I don't want too much, so I'm just going to lightly add this right out here. So now, this is what I always do, normally anyway. So I'm just gonna take like a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna take the first shade that we used in the crease, and then I'll take a little bit of this one, and then I might pop this on the very like outer corner of my lower lash line. but we are going to go back into the palette and we're going to use this shade right here. It's like the lightest, brightest kind of shimmery shade. Put it on my brow bone. Now, this is very intense, so you don't need much. I was planning to do black eyeliner, but I think with this look, I definitely want brown. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Cream Gel Eyeliner in the shade Mr. Bing. This was a collaboration also with Kathleen Lights. So I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It comes like this in like this little squeezy tube, and then you unscrew it, and then the wand was like in the squeezy, like, I don't know, it kind of freaks me out. And I don't like the wand, how big it is, but we're going to be putting it on because I only have a few mascaras and this is probably the one I don't use ever. I like the fact that it makes my eyelashes like longer, like it makes them look longer, but I also like volume and I feel like it doesn't really give me much volume. Okay, so I did zoom you guys back out because now we are moving on to face products. So for bronzer today, I'm going to be using the No. 7 Caramel Bronzer. It has the coolest packaging, like I love it. It looks so good. This is what the bronzer looks like. I haven't used this in a long time. I remember I bought this because of Nicole Cutler here on YouTube. She like raved about this bronzer back in the day. I don't know if you could see it, but like right here, there's no product. And I feel like it's not the bronzer. I feel like it's just my weird face. Because I notice it with a lot of bronzers. I don't know. Anyone, let me know down below. Do I just have a weird face, or do the bronzers just become patchy on your skin? Okay, moving on to blush. I have this Milani powder blush in the shade Romantic Rose. It's just this really pretty mauve blushes used to be like my favorite. For highlight, I have the Becca highlighter in, I have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. Now I just have mine in like a cute little mini. It's been a minute since I've used this one, but I know Becca highlights are good. And I also know though that I'm pale and I'm always afraid that this is gonna be too dark for me. Ugh, I really want Becca Opal because I feel like it would work better for my skin. Okay, and then lastly, all we have left is lips. So for today, these lips are gonna be going through it. I wanted to use as much lip products as I could because I have so many lip products that I don't use, and that's so sad to hear, or that I just haven't tried like in a long time because I get excited with like new ones and then I wear it forever. I have this one in my collection. I wanted to test it out. This is the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in the shade Bear to Comet. I have had this in my collection for a while and I remember I liked it. I just don't remember how it worked. It's incredibly creamy though. Wow. Okay, so now I need to go check what other colors they make this in because that was like the easiest, creamiest lip liner I've used in a while. I only did the outline of my lips because that's what I've been into recently. I don't like filling them all in, but it's a really pretty color. So anyway, for the lipstick thing today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. e.l.f. doesn't put their names on packaging, so I don't really know what this is. It's kind of like a lippy stick situation, but it is in the shade Natural, and it's very nude. It's been a while since I've used this one, that I know I love it. It's very nude though. The lip liner is definitely darker than the actual like lipstick. Okay, so that is the lipstick. It's so pretty. It's very nude though, but I really do like this one. And it's e.l.f. It's so affordable and I think it's pretty great quality still. And lastly is this. This is kind of bougie. This is the Marc Jacobs Lip Lacquer in the shade Sugar Sugar. And this is like a little mini that I got in some kit a long time ago. I haven't used this in forever and I really want to, so. Okay, so there is Sugar Sugar. That is really pretty. I kind of want to do a video where I talk about high-end products that I own and if they're really like worth it. If you guys would like that video, give this video a like down below and then let me know what products you would like to see, you would like me to talk about. Anyway, I think it's really pretty though. But I'm almost positive that I have a lip gloss, probably very similar to this from the drugstore. But alright guys, so that is everything I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you liked this look. And yeah, if you have any video ideas for me down below, let me know. Let me also know about any products that you have recently rediscovered in your collection. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video.